Hello everybody, thank you for joining me here today on Krista So Crafty. I appreciate you being here. Okay, here we go. I'm going to attempt to do the Rolos and the pretzels. Fingers crossed that it works. Well, here we go. So we'll see. They're getting soft. They're falling, some of them. All right, fresh out of the oven. Let's see if they're gonna work. Do this without burning my fingers here. Can't get a hold of it. Look at that. That was on a slant. Yeah, they're working. Woohoo! Last ones. Yeah, so that's the key. 300-degree oven for 4 minutes, at least for the Rolos. So now we have some pretend turtles. Thank you once again for joining me here on my channel, Krista So Crafty. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please feel free to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. And if you want to see more content like this, feel free to click on the bell and you'll receive notification when I upload my next video. Thank you again and happy crafting.